Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Kenny Designs and Vlogs. I'm going to do one of a kind ice cream parlor in a small space of 3.3 by 4 meters. We are going to use Archicad 25. You can use any software that you want, Archicad, Revit, you can use some people will use Rhino. Yeah, some guys will go ahead and use SketchUp. Most people will go for SketchUp. I think. I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but yeah. So let's get into the design. First, we want to start a new project, and yeah, let's use that. This new project, we want to call it an ice cream parlor. So this is my template. So I'm going to delete everything that is here right now, and I'm going to start a new project. First, we have to save it as ice cream parlor. So let me delete every stuff that is here already. It's trying to make a custom door over here, so let me delete that. Yeah, and then Control S for saving, and let's save it here. Let's save it under this, and let's say ice cream parlor. Ice cream parlor. Not good at pronunciation, but I'm going to try my best over here. So basically, the size of the ice cream parlor is 3.3, yeah, by 4 meters. I guess it's in an enclosed space, like a mall space or something. So I'm just going to go ahead and punch in the digits, that 300. I usually work in mm. I think it's the best way I've been working. Let me change that to a redder color. Yeah. Continue, Control S. So in my design, I want to place some seating. So I want some seating to be at the front. Let me change this line pen to this first one, the drafting. And I want the first 1.2 meters was 1200. This will be like an outdoor seating stuff. Yeah, I want that. And then here I'm going to arrange the freezers and all that stuff. We'll have a kitchen worktop. Yeah, so Control Shift D, I want to copy this kitchen worktop, because we'll have it will be 500, because we'll have something that is called the frost tops. The frost tops is where they make all that frosty stuff. I don't know, where they mix the ice cream, scrape it, roll it, play with it, slice it up. If you've gone to an ice cream parlor, you know what I mean. Yeah. So, and on this side, I want to go 600. I want to go 600 on this side. And can just press shift and hold. I want to go 600 on this side, and towards this side, as much as it is going to be an outdoor semi-sitting area for around 3 chairs or 4 chairs, I want it in such a way that there is a countertop of 300, yeah, so someone can put whatever they want to eat. So I'm going to introduce my section tools. I'll need more than one section, but this is my first one. Let me place this one over here. Escape, sorry. Let me place this one over here. Let it face that side. Let me just stretch it out a little bit. Stretch this out a little bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new material. I've decided to go something more Japanese. If that is a word, if Japanese is a word. So it was clear or not, I've now connected my microphone. Yeah, I hope it is clear. I think, yeah, it is clear right now. Yeah, so from here I'm going to start. I want to import. I'm going to create a new surface. I'll call it wood 1, and the other one will be wood 2. So new, let me change this material first. Let's say wood walnut vertical, and I hit on new, and I say wood 1. and I say it's a duplicate. I change this. I need a lighter color for the wood. Yeah, no, yeah, I need a lighter color. Let's say that. Foreground, I want to change the texture. I want to browse for it. If I browse for the texture, I have added it somewhere over here in this place. Interior design, ice cream parlor. Yeah, I'm going to import all of this. Thinking, let me go with this one. Yeah, we might change it later on when we are rendering or when you're working on something new. Let me use the original proportion and maintain that. So I'm going to use basically slabs to start with. So this is our slab. Our slab, I want to keep the material as plywood. The thickness 30 mm, 300, that's too thick. I'll use 20 mm, 2 centimeters thick. And distance from the ground, let me see, I want it as 1000, yeah, 1000. Hit an OK, and then I draw this over here, right? I want to stretch it out until this. It will change, but if we go to the section, let's drag the section here first, and open section in new tab. Yeah, we have this, and we can just go ahead and change the building material directly. Let's do this, change to wood one. In 3D, the wood one is, it's this. We can change the grain later, but I kind of like the way it is. I can just leave it the way it is. So what I want to do from here, I want to add a buffer space over here. So essentially, if you look at it in this side view, I want something. I want a glass, but I want the glass to go something like. Sorry, I want the glass to go something like curved like this, right? I want a curved glass like that, and then yeah. So someone might be eating here, but there's some display over here, that's display. I want some kind of display, and I don't want the display to run all around. So what I'm going to actually include over here, we have to have a countertop. Yeah, we have to have the ordering place. So sorry, 1700 going to do it for us. I need shift 1500. So if I put it at 1500, let's say this is it's a lot. I need to reduce it to 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter. I need to reduce it to 1 meter. So this one, I'll actually extend it up to here. It's technically, let me stretch this out. After the end, it's technically 4000, but I need 600, so 3600. Someone can stand over there, and W, I'm going to choose the line again. Alt, I want to enclose over here, right? So I want that. So what is going to happen? I have here. So I'm going to reduce this slab in such a way that it doesn't pass this place, right? Save, and this will be like the countertop, and someone will be picking their order around here, and the cash registry will be here, right? So let's proceed. We have this one is finished, and then we need to create this countertop, but this countertop right about here, it won't be there. So here we have the cash registry, we have this countertop over here, so we have to take care of that countertop. So my deal is this countertop, wherever it is, it's at 1000, it's raised, but for comfortable working, we need something at the level of 800, right? We need something that has gone lower. So I'm going to take again, I want to fill the same thing, but I'm going to change the material to aluminium. This aluminium, I might assume, is the frost. It's the material that is generally used for the frost tops. Yeah, I've never done this stuff before, so it's my first time. So frost tops, I'll keep mine at 800 by 600. No, I'll change that to 550 and then drag it all the way here. I change that, and I want to remove 50, and I want to remove another 50 from this side so that it's in the middle. But I'm going to change the height from 1000. We need to bring it back to 800, which is the basic. It's 780, but I'm going to bring it at 800 because this is a commercial space, and I have to drop something over here, right? So I'm going to drop one wood. That's funny, but okay. I'm going to drop one wood here, and this wood paneling will drop all the way down. So I'm going to change the height of this wood paneling to something like 1500. It's going to be 1000, but 1500 just to edit it. I've dropped the wooden panel. So when you see it in the section, I need this wooden panel. I'm going to shorten it. I'm going to shorten the height there. And then I'm going to shorten this because I don't want the timbers to seem like they're overlapping. Good. Save. So as we are continuing, you'll notice that we are getting something like this, right? We are getting something like this. So I want to take one chair, and anthropometry and all that stuff involved. So stool, a high stool. I'm going to take a stool, bar stool. I like this design. It's kind of flamboyant, you know. It looks really nice. And I'm going to place one over here. Yeah, I'm going to place one over here, and then look at it from the section. Let's say height from ground is 0. I'm going to look at it from the section and see, have we found the height? Is this height okay for someone's leg? 165. Or should it be raised? I think that's okay because someone's legs slope. We can try with a guy and see if a man, we can import a man, and man sitting. We need the 2D representation. Let me see. Are we getting? Let me see this. No, this should be done on this floor, ground floor. Sorry. And then let me put my man sitting over here. And then let me drag him over in the. Let me see. Control D. Let me try and drag him over here. See if he's sitting well. Yeah. So I think I'm going to have to reduce the height of this bar stool. Let's say 600. No, that's too low. 700 seems appropriate. Or we can just go to Google and Google. I'll keep mine at 700. And then, yeah, so basically at 700, someone can move forth and back. But it's an ice cream place, so the back and forth movement will be less. So we can delete this guy. We don't need this guy. Let's delete him. Let us write him off. And I need 3 like this. 2 more. So increment 2. And say 1, 2. Sitting. And let me drag them to the front so that they don't seem to be occupying a lot of space at the back. And when I look at them at the 3D, I can see this. So I want to design this space over here. I want to design something that is good looking. And for that, I'm thinking I want to go with the shell tool so that I can design like something looking ice creamy, so that I can engrave the name of the ice cream parlor there. I don't know, should I call it KDV parlor? Yes, something like that. So first I want to create this surface. I can use for that, I think I'm going just to use this. I'm still going to use this, and I need a white one. I need a titanium white, and let's see, I need it 200 from 300 from this side, 300, and when I hit that, when I see this rest one is 2000, I hit 1700. So it's that in the middle, but in 3D I want to make it smaller, right? So I go to the building section, and where has it gone to? Oh, it is in the same place. Oof, 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 oof. Let me see about this. Let's say Control D, drag the Control D, drag it to the front, Control D, drag it down. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Then Control D, shape height, we want to reduce it to, let's say, 850. 850 sounds generous, and this side's to 600, 700, 700 seems generous enough. Yeah. And then in 3D stroke all, we have this. So we've created kind of like a screen, and this screen might be actually shouting like, wow, I'm something, you know. So we want to create the name over here. So I go to the tab tool. I don't know, is the video still running? Yeah, the video is still running. Good times, eh? 16 minutes. Okay, good. Let's go. Text. We want to add the text. So the text 3D, we want to put KDV, Kenny Designs and Blogs, ice cream. I want to, let me say at 400. I want to change the text. Which text is usually looking good? Well, we can just rush to Google and see stylish text for ice cream. Let's see about that. Stylish text for ice cream. Font, no, stylish font, sorry. I'm bad at this. Which is good. For phenotype, I think. Let us see. Scroll. If we don't get it, we are going with cosmic suns, something like that. Yeah, you know it. Yeah, comic sans. Let us see. A B C D F G H. School is a scam. I don't know. Let's see. I don't see them. Let me just go with the better devil you know than the devil you don't. So the width probably 10 thickness. The height probably just 30. Let's see how it's turning out. We will fix it later if it's big enough. It's that small. Let me see. So I'll need another section. Over here. This will be section 2. Let's open this in a new tab. Open current view settings. Let's see how has it turned out. Oh, it's so small. Height, object height, let's say 300 is, that's too much. 150, or maybe I could split them up. No, I like it this way. It's actually looking really nice. So let me center it from there. Give it a new material. Place that on. Give it what material? Metal, brass, something that is looking ice creamy. What paint screams ice cream? Pink. Yeah, the peach usually screams ice cream, you know. So let's look at it in 3D. Yeah, KDV ice cream. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So we want to create the nice embodiment of this. I'm going for basically the polyline is going to work fine for us. So I'm going to do this first. I should have taken this. It's faster. Then after doing that, I take the polyline and modify the polyline to my liking. No. I want first to extend it. Offset all edges by 50. Yeah, by 50. Nice. And then, I want to place curves on this thing. Now, should I have offset it? Let's see. Nope. Do not offset. Let us play with this stuff. Let us place it here. Then drag this one over here. then do this here, drag it over here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we aren't going for perfect, we're going for practical. It's interior design. Is this interior design? Does it count? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so let's do this. A curve over there, and another curve over there, and another curve over here, and this is so small. Let us make another curve over there. Then we want to cut it. We are going to cut it from there, and we're going to paste it on this ground floor. We want to work on it in 2D, right? So Control V, paste. We have one. Let me drag it over here. Then hit on that. Then rush all the way to the shell tool. Shell tool is over here. We want a thickness of only 20, and we want 20, and what else do we want? We want, let me activate this, right? And choose one wood, but I'm going to change it. Let me choose wood 1. I want to see if there will be, I'm trying to create something like uniformity. Let me see. Then use of the magic element, spacebar. Now let me change this, spacebar. Extrusion length 20. Oh, shouldn't have done this, but okay. I can I modify this? Ugh, this is a bad nightmare. Yeah, but let's go and create hole in shell. Let's see how this works out for us. Let me see. In 3D, is it working? Is it? Yeah, it's kind of working for us. Oh, Control save. Keep on saving the work as you work. Or keep on saving the work as you work. That's a funny one. And then we want to go to this elevation and we want to rotate it. So this elevation, open with the current view settings. Loading. Let me extend this to this side. Here it is. Control, let me reduce the height of this stuff. It's too big. Control, let me reduce this size. So Control E, 90 degrees, right? And then no, I don't want to control that. I want to control this. Control E, 90 degrees. Control D, drag it. We'll place it in position. Then section 2. You see, it's already there. So let's just drag it into place. Control D, drag it up. Now drag it down. Control D, drag it down. Yeah, should have probably offset all edges, right? Let us see, is that an option for us? Yeah, we have that option. Let me do 30. But then I have to redo this one. Maybe 20. Yeah. Now I have to reposition this one. Now I think it's somewhere okay. I have just to reposition this text. Let me see in the ground floor. Where is the text and what are we repositioning over here? This is that. This is the text. Yeah, I think you can move it this side just a little. Yeah. That is working. KDV ice cream. Yeah, that is working. And can we shift this side a little? Control. No. I have to just play with this one a little. I want to do this. Yeah, now it looks much uniform. KDV ice cream. but display order I want to send backward. Now I want to bring these ones to the front. Bring to front. No. East elevation. And I want to drag this into position. Control D. Grab it by its horns and come and slap it over there, so that we'll have some snake light. People call them ring light, line light, so many names, I don't know any that can work for you. So if you see it in 3D, have this KDV ice cream thing, and I'm thinking I'll add a picture or two over here, because it's so minimalistic. I like it. I mean, I like it, but not like it. You get just the normal like it stuff. Yeah. But yeah, KDV ice cream. And let's go back inside. Can we take a break or something? Yeah. So to go on, let's continue. So we want to design this countertop. Very quickly, we want to design this countertop. For these countertops in the kitchen, I was thinking to go wooden, only this place wooden, and then the rest white kitchen countertops. Because white, I was thinking, should I go with marble? Marble makes very nice countertops. I was thinking, yeah, marble makes really nice countertops. But I was thinking I still want to maintain the wooden part. But wood is not so much good when it comes to dealing with water or water. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with marble. So still I'm going to pick this material and I'm going to draw it over. Let me use this. Should have just used this. Stretch it out to that, and then change the material. I want to change this material to marble Cara white marble. Let's see it in 3D. Yeah, this marble. And then the section, I want the section 1. In section 1, if you look in the project manager, I want to drag this. Yeah, I want to drag this down there, such that it is below this, right? So this is where they make the ice cream and stuff, like they roll it. You can see how they roll it. I don't know. Yeah, something interesting goes on in ice cream parlors. But then from here, going this side, I want a display. So I'm still thinking of actually moving this towards this side a little bit. Yeah, I think I can do that so that you can have a larger display. Control D. Oh, and I forgot, I have to change the floor height settings. I want to change the floor height. Let's assume it is in a mall. And I want to change the floor height to 4,500. No, 4,000 is okay even for a mall. For the floor height, 3.8 clear. That's really good headspace that we'll be having. So let's see. It's taking shape. I mean, it's a lot of small works, but we are getting there. So let me just finish with the big stuff. We have very many things. We have like cold stone refrigerator. We won't get that, but let's just type fridge. Let's go with fridge. Let's see this fridge. We'll need more than one fridge, so let us take this one first. Place this first fridge over here at the back, and then we'll need another fridge. How did I write fridge with the yeah, fridge. This will give us more searches. I need the deep cooling stuff. Can I get it? Can I really get the deep cooling stuff? Fridge, refrigerator, yeah, this stuffs are hard. Let me see, change. I can just simply assume and take this and turn it into the small one. Just reduce the height. Let's say the height as 1000 and make it the small fridge and then increase its dimensions. Let's do that for it. Let's say it is 1000. You should probably check the standards for this. Chest refrigerator. Chest refrigerator dimensions. Don't mind the spelling. Google will correct it for us. We have a chest refrigerator. This is what we want over here. It is 121 by 70 by 96. So I was very close. So this one, height at 960. This is at 700. And this other one is at 1200. Yeah, fits perfectly. So we can just actually reduce this other one just a little, uniformity purposes. Yeah. So let's make this from the ground also 400 0. Let's see it in 3D. We are taking shape. We are taking shape over here, and I want a wall at the back. So let me just take this wall, brick wall, and I want to play no center. I want to play on the outside. Let's see the thickness of this. Just 200 will suffice for now. Yeah, 200 will suffice for now. And then in 3D we should have, yeah, we have a lot of headspace over here. Yeah, so we can make a lot of things happen around here. A nice sticker, but all in all, yeah, we can do a lot with this stuff. We can do a lot with this stuff. Yeah, we can do a lot with that. So we still have storage, the dry storage, the ice cream cabinets, the frost tops, mixers, and all that stuff. So what I want to do is that I want to create the top. I want to ensure the continuity of this top over on this side. Yeah, so I want to drag this. Yeah, I want to drag it up to here. It's let's say 1600, but you need some space over there. So 600 minus 6, let's say at 1000, someone will be able to operate. So this in essential is our countertop, but we also want a sink over here. So I was thinking that was not a very good idea when I did that. Let me just go back and take a sink. I want a sink, but I want a sink with a top. So sink, and I'm going to take this end, cabinet end, corner end. I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to take it here, place it here, and then try to elongate it. Up to here, it's I want to make it to here it's 1600. I want to make it of 1000, right? And let's maintain that at 0. 3D. Let us modify this. Let us change the settings. And as you can see, it is telling us the counter height we put was a little bit lower. So we can actually change that, make it a little higher, so that we can match the standards on this. Control D. Let us bring it higher. Okay, that's fine. That's good. And let's change the settings for this then. Control T. Change settings for this. We want equal heights, number of segments. We won't need drawers over here. We'll need full cabinet, so one segment definitely, uniform functions, and I don't want a drawer, I want a door. Let's continue. I want a sink over there, and the type of sink that I want an something screaming ice creamy. These do not scream ice creamy, so no, certainly not that one. Yeah, this one scream ice creamy, and this one is looking ice creamy of all of them. This one, it looks really nice. I want ceramic for this. I want ceramic porcelain for this sink of ours. And undermount, let's see, nope, I don't want that. I want a tap, double mixer, yeah, no, double design, 200 mixer. I want one like that. Let's say uniform panel. I want the overlay, it looks usually nice. And I want to change the material. I want to change the material. Let's see. Here's where the material is. Over here, let us expand this. Cabinet titanium white. Should I still go with white? Nope, let me make it all wood. I love wood. Wood. Not like I love wood, but you know, yeah. Whatever you're thinking, yeah, that one. So anyway, ceramic porcelain, tap, stain style, footing. Let's just make it all wooden. And what else is this draw structure? Wooden. And panel 1, wood 1, panel 2, wood 1. And what else do we have? 3D representation full. Let us see how it has turned out. Has it turned out okay? Yeah, but this sink might be a little bit too small, we feel. I should I increase this sink? How small is it? It's it is in standard. It is a standard sink, but no one says you can't increase it, right? Let's make it 600. It's going to be worth the money if it's at 600. And then let me drag it. No. Let me leave it wherever it is. Yeah. And I want to actually work on this countertop. Those are 37 minutes of live. Feels nice. Anyway, I want to work on this countertop. I want to make it a little bit smaller so that it rhymes. And I need two doors over here. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's go back up to the first one. Yeah. Number of segments. I want a counter. Number of segments. I need only one, but let's continue. Double hung. And let's see. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. I needed a door like this one. Perfect. This should suffice. This is going to suffice. And I'm going to change these countertops over here. So let me just go forth and do that. For now, I can reduce this one. Or I should just delete it. Let me see. Yeah, probably delete it. Control S, save, and continue working. And let me put another sink. I want this, and I want to place it over here, right? But I want to make it 500, 0 over here, then 500. I want something that is easily usable. Control Shift D, drag a copy. Control Shift D, drag a copy. Because this is the last one, I'm going to do Control T and then change it for another one. Let us see. I need this one. Perfect. Yeah, so Control M, mirror this, then Control D, drag it here, change the dimension to 500, make it smaller, make this side smaller, 500. Yeah, this is covering that. So in 3D we have this. Probably we'll have to change the material. So let us change this material and this material and this and this and this. Control T. We're going right now changing materials. I feel white was a good color, but it doesn't do what I want it to do. You know, I want it to scream ice cream parlor. You know, I wanted to scream ice cream parlor. I mean, white does much with that, but my heart goes with wood. My heart goes with wood. Yeah. So let's see. Titanium white change to wood. Everything change to wood. Oh, the counter. The counter I'm going to change to marble Cara white. I think I've changed everything. 3D detail. Oh, full. Sorry. Let us see how does that pan out. That pan was really nice, but I don't want these doors to be doors. Let me change them. I don't want them to be drawers. I want them to be side hang doors. So let's go. Next, number of segments, I need one. I need a door. I need a double hang door. And I need this. Let me see. Yeah, yes. Perfect. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so it is taking shape. So this can be our counterwork, and that is where, well, that was well going for the fridge, and we need a dry storage area over here. We don't want to populate this thing so much, so this is the worktop area, right? This is the worktop area over here, and we want the dry storage. So let's say storage chest of drawers. These storages are not looking anything. Bookshelf. Let us see if this one is going to work for us if modified. Well, what about this flexible shelf? Yeah, this I think should work for us. Let's see. Let me change that to 3D detail full. Minimal space, blah blah blah. Select the shelf, edit. This looks like a good option to go with. Let's try it over here. Then let's resize it and make it ours to the liking. Sorry guys, had to go, and I'll be back in a few seconds. So yeah, let's make it a little, yeah, that is fitting. In 3D, we want to see you in 3D, we want to make it a little bit going up. Yeah, you want to increase the height. let's say to that. Some uniformity is good for us for a start, and let us edit this. We want configuration. Thickness should just be 20. It's okay. And number of rows or columns, let me see, 4. If there are 4, yeah, it looks much more sensible when it's this way. Yeah, but I just have now to reduce the height. Yes, perfect. Now we can say we are safe to say we've designed most of this thing, right? Sorry, let me not do that. Let me cut it from here. Good. So we want to design this cash registry. Let's see, do we have a registry stuff over here? Registry. Let me see, registry, cash registry, finance. Or I should just search for money, If I search for money, why just not a computer? Sometimes we overthink as human beings. Computer. It's obviously going to be a computer. Computer table. Come on. Give me something. Computer. Oh god, this is worse than Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Jokes. Anyway, I have an iMac over here. I'll download and embed the iMac. It's looking a little bit old over here, but we'll just keep it there. Yeah, we might not be finishing this work today, but we will have 20 inch. 20 inch looks good. Let us see. I want it at 1000. Yeah, so wherever it is, no, 1000 width. How that doesn't make any sense, but let's see how it's going to turn out. It's a cast registry after all. Yeah, it has fitted perfectly exactly where I wanted it. If we were talking about things that fit perfectly the way you want them, then this, my friend, is a perfect example. Perfect. Now we want to and change this to wood. I want this one to be wood. And I want it wherever it is, it's okay. Let me just do this. And when we look at the section, let us save this. When we look at the section, we want something. Yeah, it is developing. And where is the iMac again? Wait, don't tell me it's only in 2D. Let me see the settings. In 3D representation, detailed. Why am I not seeing the iMac again? Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. This is like bad. 1000. And then we'll adjust the other things later. Where's it going to? Oh, 10,000. Come on. Yes, 1000. Perfect. But why is it not being shown very clearly over here? Let me see what the problem might be. The settings, Control T. Let me change this to a darker color so that it can actually be seen well. Let me see, has it changed? No, but it's okay. So what we have over here, and I want to create a display. Basically glasses, but I want, because this has already covered less space than I expected it to, I want to retract this, leave this alone. I want to retract this a little bit by 200, but then I'll still create something that is going to 200 over this side. So let us see. I want a polyline. Yeah, I want the polyline document. I want the line first. Do this 200 to this side. this will be our display, because you want someone to come and you want someone to see the ice creams, right? And see someone to see the ice creams that are on sale. So we should go for this, and you want something curved, right? Let's say, let's take this and do this. Should have probably done that, but okay, that is enough. Yeah, that should work for us, right? Then cut this as always, Control X. Control X. Paste. We want to paste it over here. Control V. It will probably sense wherever it's supposed to be. But yeah, we go to the shell tool. Shell tool. I don't know if I'm audible or not. I don't know. I've just been working. And this shell tool, we are going to change the material, but let's work in this first. The thickness, we want it as 20. We want the shell thickness as 20 only. And hit OK. And then we want this to be 1000. So hit on that and then hit 1000 as extrusion. And then I want to rotate it upwards, so section 2 will suffice. Section 1, sorry. So I want to rotate Control E. I want it to stand first. Let's look in 3D. And then I want to rotate it the other way because it's now up. Control E. And then Control D. Let's see if it's fitting. Now just to reshape it to the position we want it to be. Control D. Now let's bring it up a little. Yeah. Sorry. How does that look now? Oh, nice. Nice. Definition of nice. So what happens is that I don't know, where is the entry? I did not think of the entry. Did I think? I did think of the entry. Did I think about the entry? No, I did not think about the entry. So basically, the entry is going to be over here. I'll have to craft something out. Yep. I did not think through on that. But design is all about putting and deleting and putting and deleting and putting another thing and deleting it. So basically, I already thought about the entrance. The entrance is with us over here. What is going to happen is that this table why? How? Display order bring to front. Delete this. Don't need it anymore. Delete this too. Control D, drag it towards this side. Very nice. Now it's beginning to take shape, and we are going to have lots of space over here. So that's the preparation, and the entry is going to be over here. I'm going to provide a flip door for it. Flip door in such a way that this place bends away. It bends away and opens up like this place. Yeah, I'll do that in the detailing. Right now we are interested just to see how it's coming up, you know, the ice cream parlor. How do people spell that again? I don't know. I was born in 1970s. I'm so old for this stuff. Yeah, I don't even know how I'm seeing this computer screen. So anyway, we want to cover up this place. We want to cover up this downs place, all of it. So let's take the right tools for that, the polyline. And is it going to work? Is the polyline going to work for us over here? It's time to see. Is it going to work? What has I took a line? Come on. This, take this, take that, take this curve, take this curve over here, take this, drop that, take that, then this Control X, delete it, cut it from there, and then paste it, Control V, just act cool, delete this one, save the shell tool. I don't know if the shell tool is going to work for us over here. It might bring me a lot of problems, but let's see. Will it fill in? Extrusion length 20. No, I didn't want this. I didn't want this. Control Z, shell tool. Will it fill in? Has it done anything? Let me see. Nope, it hasn't. Oh, I know. No. Let us see. 20. No, I don't want this. This is killing me. Am I this clueless in doing design or something? I don't know. I know I'm clueless at times, but I never thought I was this clueless, I always thought I knew something that could save the world. Turns out I'm just a big loser. I'm just joking with you guys. So anyway, I'm going to do this craft. I'm going to use this this construction method, and I'm going to draw it. I'm going to kind of trace it and see how it goes. Okay, that's it. We are going for the morph tool. I usually avoid using the morph tool because of some reasons known to me, but here I have been pushed against the wall. My back is held. Do we see? Is it something that people still say? Yeah, I think it's something people say. The morph, I don't know, it never has anything. So I'm going to put it as glass. After all, it's glass. I'm going to use it. Then hit this, and then in the section 01, I'm going first to rotate it. Sometimes it won't be seen, so I'll do this and then hit on Control E, and then rotate it like this first, and then go here, and then it will be somewhere here. Delete this one, then Control E again. Is it like that? Let me see. Yeah. It's like that. Yeah, we'll be going for breaks, maybe water breaks also. I don't know. Whatever is convenient for us. Then I want to drag it in position, Control D, and I want to drag it over there and see in this, has it covered everywhere I want, and then drag it again. No, drag first, then fix the positions later. Then do this, and then offset this edge. Perfect. Now what I want to do is I want to create an illusion. I want to do this, because this is glass. I wanted a display over here. I'm going to create an illusion, and I don't know if it's going to work, but let me see. Options, surfaces. I want to say new, and then I say cream 1. So this cream 1, right, new, it's already new, so I don't know what I'm trying to do. And then browse and add a new material, add, and I want to use this display. So I want to use it in a very cheeky way, in a way such that original proportion. I don't want it to be 1000. I think I want it to be 1000. I think so. And I want it to be 600. Let me see. Let me just see how this is going to pan out for me. Measure this area. 900, 1000. What about this side? Going this way? Oh god, this is so large. But if someone is going to pull it off, it's going to be me. Okay, so same as this. Let's reduce this height to 600. It's a display that we're trying to create. Then let's do this, right? And then look at it in 3D stroke all. It is there in building section. Is it okay? No, we want to drag it a little up, up a little, up a little. There we go, there we go. So if someone is going to serve ice cream, just stand here, take your order, and just take your order and do stuff. Yeah. Anyway, what else? What else should we do? What else should we do? What's wrong with this Mac computer? It's like it's floating or something. It's I don't know. It seems incomplete. I'll do something about that. And let's see. This one was never going to be wood. This was going to be glass all along. Glass clear first. Yes. So, because this is display, I want to create the illusion that someone can actually see whatever is being created over here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch off this one and this one. No, just switch them on, but unpair them, and then do the cream one. And then the way the cream one has turned out, I wanted it to have the illusion that there is actually display over here. Yeah, but now I have to go and edit this photo so that it's actually fitting, right? It looks like it's fitting. It's actually fitting, but yeah, I have to do something about this. Yeah, so I have to, yeah, I want to, when someone is standing here, I want them, I didn't get the right photo. I think, let me just look for another photo. Ice cream making. I don't know. I don't know what we should be searching for images. Partitions. Are those partitions? Ice cream display. Let me say display. And hope I get a 2D one. Yeah, I want something like this, but something not in an inclined position. Let's see. I want something 2D. All of these are in, they're not in 3D, they're in 2D, but I want something top view. Top view. No, this is bad than I thought. If I was good at photo editing and everything else that is there, I would have rotated it and fitted it. But well, I'm not getting any of that, so I'm going to stick to whatever I have right now. So if a customer is standing here, they can see the ice cream that is being made, and for that I want to, just Control Shift D and just have two of them. Not necessary, but yeah, just have two of them for the display. Yeah, and just imagine there are walls over this and this side. So basically that's how I'm approaching my design. I hope you liked it. It was a very long video of me talking through the way, but hope you liked it. And yeah, you can complete it by yourself. From here it's just walls, the paint, the color, and the false ceiling. Oh my god, so much. You can add TVs. Yeah, but for now